Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to use FluidSIM 5 hydraulics. Actually, I mean the basics for both hydraulic and pneumatics, it's just the same. So once I use hydraulic to show you how to get a drawing frame and the title block and the part list, you can use the same thing on pneumatics and it will work perfectly. It's just the same way that you have to do if you are starting pneumatics also for the first time. So you just click on all programs and then look for FluidSIM hydraulics. But first you get it from Festo. So look for Festo didactic, and that's Festo didactic here. Click on that and pick hydraulic, FluidSIM 5 hydraulic. So just click on that and it takes a bit of time to download. Once it's finished, it's ready to go. Okay, so anytime when you open this app, what happens is that anytime when you open this app, what happens is this side is grayed out. This particular uh, space here, the drawing board is grayed out. It means that when you pick anything, any component and drop it here, it's not going to accept it. It is just like you having a drawing board, okay, and not putting a drawing paper on it. If you start your drawing, you aren't going to get a drawing done. So unless you put your white paper on it. So what you have to do is to go for the white paper and put it on this gray space here. And you can do so by clicking on this one here, this one under the file here. Okay, it's drawing paper. And when you click on it, it appears here for you to be able to do your drawing. Or you can click on file and also click on new and just click on file again. So file, new file, and then that will open one for you. Or the easiest way, you just click on this one and you get your drawing space. Again, you can click on file, new, and you can get that one too. Now, once you get this one, you see that this side here, this is a borderline. Okay, if you draw beyond this borderline, you cannot do your simulation unless everything is inside the space here. Outside the space here is not going to allow you to simulate. Okay, so if you think oh, okay, I've got big drawing to do, then you have to move this borderline further away from here onto this side, onto the right hand side. For example, let's say that you've got this component, you've got this component here, and you've got some here, and maybe they are connected like that. So if you have this component here, it will show like this. This is the color it will show. This color here, and it means there's something wrong. So you have to move this inside that one. But you can do this by going to drawing. You can move this in here, or you can increase your drawing space. Going to page, and then clicking on drawing size and deselecting you have to deselect this one, adapt from drawing frame, and select user, just select user define, and you can change everything there to your required. So I have changed that one and I've changed this one to, let's say, to 300, and then say okay, and you see now you have moved the borderline beyond where it was before, and at least you got enough drawing space to do it. Again, if you go to now, the next thing that I want to show you is to put, to put drawing frame around it, okay, and then the title block. So just go to click on this one here on the page, and sorry, page setup here, and click on drawings, and then click on drawing frame, okay. If you click on drawing frame, then click on pick, so that you can pick the size of the frame you want, and we want A4 landscape, and this will come with the title block. So now you see drawing frame nicely here with a title block. Let me scroll down a bit for you to see the title block. So this here is your title block here, where you can put your name and everything in it there. Okay, so once you've got that one done, you got your title block, you got your name, and so on. Now the next bit that you have to do is to, for example, go to insert and click on the part list. And when you click on it, it comes with, you see that orange color also, it comes with the cursor, and click anywhere, and it just drops in there. What it does is that any component that you pick and drop here, that component is now put inside this any component. So if I pick another component, it appears there. If I go on to pick another component, whatever component I pick and put here in the on the drawing sheet appears here, and the name also appears. And next time, the next video will show you how to give identification to those components that you have picked. Actually, the names are here, the descriptions are here, but you can identify them with, let's say, letters and numbers. And the next drawing will show you how to do that. Thank you very much for watching.